Right, well, we're just off out in the little Copen to see something quite unusual, and it's right in the centre of Watchet as well, so look forward to seeing this unusual thing. Well, we pulled in here. I was at the station just briefly. There's all the new buildings going on the East Quay. Just to say that years and years ago, this whole area used to be a network of railway lines. There used to be coal sidings just here, and of course with all the new building work is going on, there used to be rail lines going down there, and they had little turntables for the wagons to turn round, and there was a larger turntable for a locomotive. So we're going to see this other unusual device now. Proceed, dear madam, at your leisure. Did we ever return that book into that?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Because they got the old bus stop there as a book exchange. So we're going down through here. Although Val's been to this place before, I never have even seen it.
I've only been outside, I haven't been inside.
Right, let's go and see what we're talking about. We're in the middle of the high street.
What's it here? The bin's in the way.
I can go in, I think. Quite narrow.
Yeah, it is narrow, see what I mean?
Yeah. Oh, they got a Suzuki car then, so they got a bigger one than you have. And what do we see on the ground here, this round thing?
That's the roundabout.
It's a turntable.
Oh, the turntable, yeah.
Right, so we park here for a moment.
Well, that's what I am, yeah. Right. Well, she has to stay there and he wants it and turns it right round, now you're facing the other way. Yeah,
apparently they've got a remote control device which will rotate the car on this so it's facing outwards to go out. Hopefully we'll see that demonstrated later. There can't be many houses say they've got a turntable. When Val described it, I thought it would be some really ancient thing that you had to push your car around, but apparently this is all motor driven. Should have got it more central, I suppose, but
oh, I think these people must have a car in there.
Okay, well we're going in and invited for a cup of tea, so probably we'll get it turned later.
Almost 11 and... No, there you go.
I see you're going to notice about the wheelbase. Oh, you're going to... Oh, I say it's mains powered. Look at that. That's pretty... quite unique, isn't it?
Clever, isn't it?
Is this a relatively new installation?
10 years old.
Wonderful. It could be a tourist attraction for Watchet.
Clever stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, I like that. I mean, did someone knock on your door one day and say, would you like a turntable? Or did you research it somewhere else? How did you find out about such a thing being available?
Well, when we first came here, we had such a job turning the car.
Yeah.
And I wouldn't adapt the first thing out.
Yeah. No, I bet not through there.
So my neighbour at the time and I clubbed together.
Oh, I see, right. That was good then.
I mean, how do you discover a firm that makes turntables for houses then? Was it on the internet or?
Yeah.
I see.
I said our neighbour did.
It's
Oh, yeah, the
Spin
neighbour
It.
found out. Yeah, of course that neighbour's gone now.
That's the name of the firm.
Oh, right.
And,
Good name, yeah.
You have to give them some name.
In Sheffield. Sheffield.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
right. And did it take long to install?
He's had a stroke as well.
Yeah. You didn't
2
really put it back
days.
to the turntable.
Wow, wow, wow. Very nice.
Taping took longer.
All right, yeah. Oh, thank you. Most impressive. Thank you.
36 Himland minks.
Oh, I see. Wow. Gosh, you've got lots of interesting things here. Yeah. And how many years ago did you have to say goodbye to that one?
Too long.
Yeah. I often
This
wish,
was the kitchen, was it here?
This was a kitchen,
I
Why
wish
did
I-
this was a kitchen when they came here, this bit here?
goodness me.
and we put in the door and the porch
Yeah.
Yeah.
eventually. This room in here, well, I got behind the board up.
That's wonderful, isn't it?
That was the front door,
Oh, yeah.
and this was
And this
the
was
hall.
like the hall, was it?
Yeah,
And that was the
but
kitchen.
originally that was the front door because you still
Oh,
see
yeah.
number 40 on top.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh.
So what are you, 40 Swain Street, are you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so we changed all that.
You've got a toilet in there and all that.
Yeah, and a shower room.
Was that there when you came?
No, this
That's
was.
lovely.
Oh yes, it was.
This
but
is
this was adapted
was
for the previous
originally designed
3
for
hours, I think, for their
an
disabled son.
invalid
So
son.
they added
Right.
this extension
And,
for him.
Oh, on the level, yeah.
So this
Yeah.
bit's an extension. No, you said the door was here originally.
No, that's the extension door. That was the original door.
Oh, there, yeah, there.
Yeah.
Right. So this has been,
Marquetry as well. Yeah, good.
Some time ago.
how long have you been here?
Gosh,
15 years.
lots of unusual things.
And that's the state of the wall underneath the skin of plaster.
Reiki.
Of this wall.
Yeah.
Right, gosh.
What room?
Reiki.
Mm.
Have you not heard of Reiki? It's sort of like acupuncture in the needle.
Oh, right. And you used to do that, did you?
Yeah. And
Cool, it's much more spacious in here than I was expecting. Wonderful. I like all your different lighting too. That's really different. Oh, did you realise that he crept in? He flew in one day and he's been there ever since. Yeah. Lovely.
I probably shouldn't, but...
Yeah, in this classic car magazine book,
I'm hungry, I didn't have much breakfast this morning.
details of the car he used to own. Look at this. Can't have been many survivors, I wouldn't have thought. Yeah.
Oh, Hillman.
Yeah. No, if I was, well, I didn't recognise it when I saw the photograph outside. Yeah, wonderful.
And that's what I had planned for it, but I never got round to doing it.
Right.
Did you do the drawing, did you, of the car?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's even more talented. He actually drew this drawing.
Very
I once,
talented man here by the look of it.
I used to have a bubble car, and one day I sat down and did a pencil drawing of that. And unfortunately over the years it's got lost, but I do remember that, and I thought, oh, well, I ought to do a bit more of this, because it's quite satisfying to get your own car in a drawing. Wonder whatever happened to
Well, I
that.
bet you could be quite good at drawing. I don't know. I've seen a few of your little bits and pieces.
Yeah, we've got several classic car books on this sort of same lines, but not this particular one.
Encyclopedia.
Mm.
What's this, 19, what was that? 45 to 75.
Yeah, those were the peak years, when they, as far as I'm concerned.
Yeah.
I know, I love the cars I grew up with, really, more than the really old ones.
Well, thank you, Pam.
Okay.
Where's the light?
You've got a marvellous...
Right, don't fall in the pond, will you?
Well, I was taking a photograph of our friends there.
The dog did the other day. Yeah.
Dog is a bit too low down to get in your picture. Oh.
Just a minute.
But look at this lovely pond.
Oh, yeah. Okay, look.
Look at the size of these irises. Gosh. I was on Blue Anchor Station a day or two ago, and they got some about that size in blue, you know. Which is
Yeah, usually they
nice.
are blue. That's unusual, that colour.
Or some marigolds or something like that in the background there. God, it's amazing how big all this is.
You wouldn't think this was behind here, would you?
You would not indeed. It still goes on.
Yeah, our blue ones are
Oh
going
yes,
over now.
there they are, yeah.
But they smell beautiful.
Oh, I tried to plant some foxgloves in our garden. We must have put in about a dozen plants.
Yeah.
Next year, 3 came up.
Oh, right.
Since then, nothing.
Oh, dear.
We had white ones and that colour, of course.
I've never planted anything in here. They've just
Grown naturally.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Huh.
The beans I haven't had so much luck with, have I? I have to get somebody else to put those beans.
I'm just wondering, love, if that's the sort of plant we've got coming up.
I know, I don't like that white thing.
On the back of the garage.
Yeah. No, I forget what it is. It's if somebody said what it was, I would know. Do you know what that white thing is?
Hardware
Pyrocanthus. Pyrocanthus.
No, I don't think it is. Not the white one, is it?
Yeah.
Is it? But you can get another colours then, can you? Yeah, you can get another colours, can't you?
Yeah.
Lovely big poppy coming along there. We've got some of this growing on our front steps. And I thought, well, I'm not going to pull that out because it's going to look lovely. And it's at its peak now, but it looks a bit scruffy in a way by our front steps.
You
wouldn't need to tell your dog that. You just went in the garden a few times, couldn't you? Yeah.
What's the little brown structure over there, like a little building?
That was where the hens lived.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
They wandered all around the garden if you didn't
Oh,
find them.
nice. They're quite safe in here with these big walls. Oh, is that the Methodist church up there?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Get my geography sorted out now. Oh, this was to protect the garden from the hens.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, that's wonderful.
You've got frogs in there at the back.
Yeah. Half peony.
Oh, what a size.
Yeah.
Gosh. That must be 6 inches across.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, no.
That's nice.
What's the blue? Oh, it's a pot of some
Like
sort, is it?
Granger.
Then what, love?
The blue circular device.
Oh, it's a pottery thing.
Yeah.
I just pop her in. And we've got a little, but she's hidden now.
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Concrete pig.
Yeah. Concrete pig. Yeah.
There was a garden similar when you came here then.
No.
Oh no.
No. Covered in bindweed.
Was it?
Oh dear.
Cans.
Cans and plates all over the place. You know, takeaway trays.
2
something
teenage sons.
Just wouldn't look after the children like
Oh, they've got a wonderful transformation here then.
It's lovely here, it really is.
Yeah.
Lovely little hideaway place.
Oh, there's another little blue circular
Yeah.
ball. Yeah.
Yeah, you can get those. Those are poppies, those
And this tree's an unusual tree too, isn't it? With that colour leaf.
Yeah, that's
It's an Indian
bean
bean
tree.
tree.
Wow.
and
Oh, you can't see it from here, but we've got a mulberry tree as well.
Oh, they're nice, yeah. Yeah, there was one in Dunster we came across. First time we ever saw one. Well, thank you for showing us around your place. It's been quite...
Lovely to meet you.
Yeah.
Is it easy to get in and out?
No.
No.
Oh.
See, one of those people, there aren't many of them about.
It's only 600cc.
660 turbo.
Well, I know you've got to be very careful driving out now. But
Yeah, I think I can do it.
It's a small car. Oh, they're nice people, and they got a nice house. You wouldn't believe that you drive through here and you're right in the middle of Watchet.
When things in the way, I bet. I mean,
Yeah.
you can't move them, can you?
No, you can get through there, right?
Really?
Yeah. Well clear this side. Only plastic bins and everything. Move sideways if we should touch them. You're right by the post office, look. Oh, see our new flag display here and watch it. What's the parking going on there? It's unusual. Not supposed to be any.
12:30. Only half an hour for the dinner.